Hey guys, this is Thomas from Tom Power Vlogs. Today we are heading to Fossil Creek in Strawberry, Arizona. If you guys haven't heard of it, it's probably like the #1 attraction here in Arizona for hiking, swimming, and camping. So three things you can do here. So we found this place probably about a couple weeks ago, actually a week ago, and then we drove up here and to explore the area to see how to get there, the right trails to get there, right, and also to find out where to park at. So we are in the Tonto National Bridge area right here. Nope, keep going. We came here last time. The park's not closed. It's open, huh? Last time we came here, it was closed. But anyway, so we have to get there before 3 p.m. because after that they don't let you in. So the park closes at 4, but they stop letting people in at 3 p.m. And I guess it's $7 per person to enter, and so that's where we're headed. Anyway, so this is the view. It says we are around 9 minutes away. Pine Trailhead. We were there. This is where we were at last week. How much more do we say? We got 6 more minutes to get there. This is we're going to come across the city of Pine, Arizona, or the town of Pine, Arizona. It's a little pubbery or pub right there to the left, and this is town area. Pioneer. This is the old country inn that we came last week. Go down. I think this is where the lady I don't see her here today. Sells popcorn. This is Pine, Arizona. It's in between Strawberry and Payson, Arizona. Fresh kettle corn right here. This is the famous kettle corn they sell over here in Pine, Arizona. So we're gonna stop and get a bag real quick. Hello.
How you doing, man?
My wife is like, you have to stop here and get some popcorn for me.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So let's take a look at it.
Caramel and kettle.
Okay. So how long have you been selling kettle corn?
Just about.
Yeah. We came by here last week, and some lady was out here.
Okay.
But I don't know. We didn't know what time we stopped because we had to go to the trailhead and before it's closed, you know.
Yeah. Actually, stop about dusk.
No. Okay.
So as soon as the sun goes down, I'm out.
So what's the difference between the corn? One's got sugar in it, one doesn't, or what?
They both have some sugar. Mm-hmm. It's Ohio mushroom corn, cooked in Iowa corn oil. The kettle corn has cane sugar and a little vanilla.
Okay.
And the caramel corn's just a little bit of caramel glaze.
Okay, so this will be the caramel glaze.
Yeah.
So those two work.
You got it.
Those two, you want the big ones or the medium ones? Huh? Which one? Yeah. So we're gonna get 2 of those ones right there.
2 of these?
Yeah.
You got it. 1 of each kind.
Yep.
$10.
This is Fossil Creek Trailhead. Hey guys, we are at Fossil Creek Trailhead. So we're gonna start our hike. Supposedly it's a 4-mile hike in and 4-mile hike out. Let's take a look over here. Creek. Strawberry is 3 miles from here. We are over here. This way. Attention, 4 quarts of water recommended. Drink at least 1.5 gallons of water per person. First 30 seconds, no flip-flop. You are able to hike 10 miles at 100 degrees at 6,000 elevation. Wilson, protecting clothing, hat, and sunblock. This hike is not recommended for children or dogs. You heard it there. Gila County Sheriff's Office. Head from Fossil Creek. We just passed by a couple of hikers. They said that it took them roughly an hour and 53 minutes to get back up, and online it says an hour hike down maybe, and an hour hiking back. But so from their calculation, it was an hour and 53 minutes, and which was surprising to us. So we got to get there as quick as possible, and then try to get back as quick as possible as well. They had a dog, so it says not recommended to bring a dog or child, but apparently people disregard that. So I guess to each his own. I'm sure that I see some horse poop, so maybe they've taken the trail with the horses down here too. So guess you could ride horses down here. I was noticing there was no camping or hiking up there, but if you have to camp out here by emergency, I mean, you got to do what you got to do. But I'm just saying. So anyway, so stay tuned. Beautiful over here. Not too bad, not too bad. I think I guess you can have a 4-wheel drive and drive through here. I guess for emergency situations, you probably drive through here.
Look at the mountain.
Yeah.
I like that one.
doing a lot of dipped elevations. Probably because we're gonna have to hike up again. But it's interesting so far. I guess you could say this is our first actual wilderness hike. We've hiked through the actual wilderness because we are out of the city, but we are close to base in Arizona, and also Strawberry's right down the road from us. So let's continue the journey. Coming up on a Fossil Springs Trail right here. As you can see, it's 4 miles, 8 miles total round trip. The trail is steep, dry, and rocky. The trail descends about 1,500 feet and takes 4 to 6 hours total. Wow, well, we're gonna make it quicker than that. Hey guys, this is Thomas from Tom Pop Vlogs. We are back. So we are definitely doing a descent. It's at about 1,500 feet descent. I can hear the water from here. It's headed in that direction here somewhere. So this is the terrain we just walked down, which is kind of steep. So we definitely got to have good shoes on when coming here. But so far so good. So let's continue. Here's the view, baby. It's a beautiful hike, I can tell you that. Huh, Jen? It's steep, yeah, it's definitely steep. Yep. With the hike. I agree 100%. It's priceless. Well, it's our first time we've ever been here, so it's like,
You can't walk in the summer in here, though.
oh yeah, it'll probably be super hot walking down this trailhead. But I like it that it's wide, you know?
Yeah.
A lot of them are just enough for 2 people to walk on. You could probably,
Narrow.
yeah, this one is a lot wider. You could probably have 4 people be walking down straight and still be shoulder to shoulder.
Yeah.
No, I think when we walked the straight mountain, up that mountain was about at least a mile. And this is gonna be 4 miles in and 4 miles out. This will definitely be our longest hike, but so far so good. Hey guys, I am still on the descent. Both of us are. What we notice is there's a lot of rocky areas, so you can twist an ankle. Wear sturdy shoes. Something that's not going to not be firm enough where you can catch your balance, just in case you do catch a rock. We talked to some other hikers that were just past us earlier. They said the views were amazing down here, so can't wait to get down here and take a look at it. You just gotta watch your footing when you're walking down here, because the rocks are unstable, loose. I don't know, obviously they don't seem like they even belong here, but maybe just because this is a river wash. When the rain comes down and just brings all the rocks down with it. So I'm getting a little sweat going on here. I'm trying to keep a steady pace, so we can get there quick enough, because I want to get there before at least 5 o'clock. We got here around 3, so which is right on the money. Okay. Alrighty, I'll check back with you in a little bit. Coming up on down or down trail. Oh, there's a white substance. And this is a chalky. Look, you can see the trail over there. Going easy that way. Pretty elbow in the mountain. These rocks are really pretty. Really, really pretty. No, it's the water. Hey guys, I'm back. We circled, I guess. We came down the original mountain, and I guess we were like hugging it, and then it led us to the second mountain, which is where we're at now. We're on the ledge area. See that? It's the mountain we came from over there. All the way up there we were. So we're looking on the other side of the mountain now, going downhill. So I would think that it's going to be a tough hike coming up on that mountain, because this one we're pretty going down at an even level, but we're still hugging the mountain because of all the cliffs. Anyway, so stay tuned. Yeah, accumulated stick from hikers. I don't know if it's gonna help her, but think the lady even wrote her name on it. Maybe it's got her C on it. And then probably Christina or Christine.
Because she made it.
She probably made that hiking stick. Oh, yes, you said you wanted a hiking stick, right? Oh, you got one. I don't know where I was trying to help you, but just keep your balance.
It helps.
Is that backpack lighter than this one? It's the same, huh? Yeah, we passed a big group of hikers, probably about, what, 10 people, Jenny? They look like they're all happy. They said the hike down is a lot easier than the hike up, which I concur with, because hiking up ain't no joke. It's a lot of huffing and puffing coming up, but I just want to get down there. So I'm coming up on a third mountain. A third mountain, and the lady said it's about another hour hike to get there, but I want to get there before 5, so that's what I'm shooting for. That's what we're both shooting for. We're trying not to run over these damn rocks or trip on them, because they're all this rocky terrain here. So see you at the bottom. Coming down the mountain. How's it going?
Hi.
This is the scenic view. Still heading down.
Oh!
Be careful. Here you go. Fossil Springs, that way. A long downhill trip. Sun's going down though, so I'm gonna have to be heading back here real quick. So we'll see how it goes. Talk to you soon. Hey guys, Thomas and Tom Pop Vlog. I finally reached Fossil Creek. We're here. And let's take a look. It's a beautiful swimming area right there. Take a look. Beautiful. Looks like it comes down from there and it sits here. Anyway, let's head over there to the waterfall. There's a little place you can sit down at and eat. This is the vortex right here. It gives off good energy. At least that's what I was told. What happened? Hey guys, me and Jenny finally arrived at Fossil Creek. Took us 2 hours. And 2-hour hike to get here. We left a little late, but we got here around 3. Took us about 2 hours and 20 minutes to get down here. This is the area that we're at. Having our food before we head back up. I brought flashlights. So we'll be okay getting back fully charged with batteries too. This is not where we wanted to go, but obviously there's another trail heading this way. I don't know if it's up the mountain or what, but here's the creek. That's a little mini waterfall that we have. Didn't see no wildlife, but I would definitely make sure you wear some good shoes when you take a hike over here. Hey guys, Tom Power from Tom Power Vlogs. So this is gonna conclude the video. We got another 2-mile hike out. It's probably gonna be dark, and we got to use our flashlights to get out of here. But this is the final view for me and Jenny. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe at the end of the video. We really appreciate it. Also, make sure you put a like on it if you like this content. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.